my besties, it is exactly, I think, almost 10 days before my birthday, and this is how I look. I look like a hot mess. I haven't done my nails. Look at my hair. Today it's Friday. I want to go to the gym. After that, I think I'm gonna have a mask on my face. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my nails, but this, I think I will sort it out about next week. I think I still have about 5 days before the day, so I can unplait this hair and make it some cornrows. I don't know, I will see. Next week we'll probably do maintenance for the birthday, but for now I'm going to the gym today. I just want to quickly have my breakfast, bath, and go to the gym. Today I'm doing upper body. Yeah, I love you guys. I've been so lazy that I don't even vlog anymore. I am so sorry. I don't know what's happening this winter. I felt out of place, you know. I put my phone there, my camera there. I didn't touch any of those things, but I'll try to do better. I promise you guys. I've been consistent at the gym, period. Okay, fine. Oh yeah, Hannah Pahama, yo. It's a photo.
Quando uma parede sobre
Hi, chefe.
o outra faz para onde?
Hi, chefe.
Acho que a hora tem que isso, acho que a hora. How's your day so far?
Perfect. When you get out, let's go into the
Little bit. Then again, little bit. Oh, yo. Where would you be? What's on the soup?
carrot card. No, like yo, pero carrot and chicken wings are caramel.
Oh,
The lighting is so perfect.
your hair's so nice, so beautiful.
Easy. Sure.
Is it coming?
Hello. Hi, do you work here?
Yes.
Who wants pizza table?
Yes. Picasso.
Catleo. Oh, Catleo. Yeah, good. Nana gonna go for a little high magahaji. Nah, but I'm gonna go buy you, but my makeup is so nice. When I get into the day.
Oh, but what color? Oh, S3 color smooth. Female.
We put our battery pair at the moment.
Eh, normally was another hook.
Thank you. Hey my besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Boitee2timtim, popularly known as Boitee2timtim on all social media platforms. So I just want to make a quick intro before I can unbox things with you. But first thing is first, I need to apologize for not being consistent with you guys. Exam season was upon us and I got busy, but nevertheless, I'm back and ready. So I happen to grab this DJI Osmo Mobile 7P stabilizer for smartphones, and I think this will be a very good addition to our content. Okay, so let's quickly do an unboxing together. This is not your usual vlog, like normal day-to-day vlog, blah 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 blah. Just an unboxing with you. Let's get first time experience together. So this is what we are unboxing today. DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Okay, first time experience. We will be unboxing it together. I can see that it has a built-in tripod. And what else? It's a quick fold, blah blah blah. 10-hour battery life. Do you see this? 10-hour battery life, built-in tripod, stabilization, gimbal. Okay, and this is all what's in the box. Okay, let's open and check. Okay, they say we have to pull this down. It has this little box inside. Let's see what is it. Okay. Perfect. Okay, these are two cables, both type C, and this one, I don't know, maybe one of them is a charger. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's start with this one. Oh, this looks fancy. It's like a little camera here. Okay, and I see here mic 1, 2. You lock it here, type C. Maybe one of those type C things are working there. Okay, I see 2 buttons, one to power on and this one for light. So it is a camera with a light. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, let's put it there. And then we have this. All these things are so beautiful, don't wanna lie. I believe this is a magnet because it looks so, yeah, I think it's a magnet. Ugh, these things are so hard. Yeah, okay. Let's put this aside. And now let's end this big baby. Okay, I think that is the guidance book. And that is all in the box, I think. Let me just put that. And here is what we've been waiting for. Okay, nice packaging. I think before I take it out, let's remove all these small boxes and put them aside so we can focus on one thing only. All the plastics are aside and the boxes. Okay, now here we are. Let's see the stabilizer. Wow, oh my word, do you see this? This looks beautiful. Oh my god, you can put a tripod here to extend it, but they said it has a built-in tripod. Let's see. Oh my word. How do I open this? Remember, this is the first time I open everything with you guys, so I don't know what is what. Okay, just open it like that. And just like that, we are standing. Oh my word. I love it already. I haven't used it, but I love it already. And you can just push it back, I think. Yes. Okay, and I see an on button there. Okay, that's on. I don't know how to use this thing. I think I have to read the tutorial before because I saw something. I saw a battery somewhere. I think it's flat. I need to charge it. I don't know, something there. I don't know how to open it. Or do I just I think I'm gonna break it. Let me know it. And I see there's a switch here. God. Okay. Okay, before I break things, let me just read the manual real fast. But before I go, let me just see if this magnet thing works, because I can't wait. Woo! Did you hear that? The crap is so good. God. Okay, let me go study the manual and then come back. Okay. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, so we are busy making coffee now, and I am currently shooting with my selfie camera. I hope you can hear me clearly. So yeah, this is how it looks. I just wanted to see myself that I'm in the frame. That is the whole reason why I am taking selfie clips. All right, so I hope it's still tricking me. Oh my god, it is. That is the best option ever. I am going to try to see if I can turn my camera so that it can still track my face, even like that. Oh god. I don't know, something is wrong with my camera there. Okay, but it's fine. Okay, let me just stop this